Welcome to Kumba Software DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is about how to copy directories from any source to any destination appliance. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details of DPAA may have changed since this video was created, the functionality will be the same. So the use case here is we just want to copy some directories from one place to another. This will include the files and everything. Now, the copying files tutorial will allow you to select individual files to copy, which would also allow you to create the directories in the destination. But in this case, we want to copy the entirety of directories from one source to one or more destinations. So to show this, we see this appliance selected and this domain selected, and we see a number of directories that are present in this domain and within this file system. But if I go to these appliances, you'll see very quickly this doesn't have any files or directories created within them within that domain. Now, we're not limited to copying to one domain, or one appliance or anything like that, but for the demonstration purpose, we will show a single source to a multi-target copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select a number of these directories here, and above the directories list, I've got a copy button that allows me to select the copy option. And once I've selected that, we get the wizard showing. And one of the first things I need to do is select my destination appliances. In this case, for the demonstration, we're going to select these two appliances. Then I'm going to select Next. At this point, we can select one or more domains, so you can see I can select as many domains as I want, but I'm going to select just one. And then I'm going to click Next. And then what is my destination directory? Well, that's going to be the only one I really have meaningfully available to me from those other two appliances, which don't yet have any subdirectories in them. So now I'm going to click Next. So DPAA is now just showing us what we want to be able to do, what's going to happen if we go in and make this copy. So we have the target domain and then we have the target directories, but we do have the ability to add other directories in here if we so choose. So we're not limited to just the target directory we selected. We can actually put them in different locations. In order to initiate the copy and complete it, I'm going to select Finish. So DPAA is going out and copying creating directories and copying all the files to the selected destinations. And as you can see, there's quite a number of things being copied here. And so we're going to wait for it to complete. And once it completes, you'll notice that the little spinner has gone away. We're going to close this window here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these two appliances here. And we're going to say now we have these directories located under the local file store within these other appliances within this domain. If I then search the files that are located in there, you can see that each file was copied to each appliance. And so we can see any kind of files were copied from the source to the destinations with all the directories kept intact. That's all we have for this tutorial. If you want to see more, go out to www.kumbasoft.com. Go to the features and tutorials page to see any number of the large number of videos that show you all the features of the product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.